Hey Diana, Michael, Joshua here with Peterson SEO, and thank you for requesting this video today. Today I want to talk about certified restoration, and let's take a quick look at your website and see how it looks and everything. So with that, let's go ahead and do a review on it. So I really like on how you have your logo up here on the top left. Looks really nice. I like how you have this drop down for your services. You have it here about alert labs. Okay, you have contact, water damage, rescue. You have your phone number. Click to call here. Let's take a quick look. Okay, you have keywords here. Nice. Okay, I see that. Okay, let's take a look at your content. Okay, looks really good. You have your testimonials here. Alright, so before we get any further into your website, I kind of want to tell you the three different things on how you can be found on Google, so that way you can have the best optimal um, online presence. Okay, so the first thing that when you type in, let's just say this keyword here, water damage, restoration, San Diego, California, right? That's what people will type in when they're searching for you. Right here, sponsored is one way that you could be found. Right here, your business can be found by Google if you're using a sponsored ad. Second way you could be found is what's called the Google Business Profile in the Map Pack area. Now these three businesses here are ranking organically in this area. You have about 30% of your leads come from here, from your business, so about 30% of your business comes from here. So it's good to be up here, and the way to do that is to fully optimize your Google Business Profile along with some citations that goes with it. So moving forward, the third thing on how you can be found on Google is what's called the organic section, and it's these three top spots right here. Yelp, Angie, and Bill Howie has the third organic position when you do type in water damage restoration San Diego, California. Um, so let's get back to the website review and audit. So let's go back to your website. Now we were discussing earlier, I like the layout of it. When you have your social feeds here. But what Google really loves is content. And when you have about 1,500 to about 2,000 words of content in that window range, that's what Google really loves. So from the looks of it, just by looking at yours, I would say you have about a 700, um, between 5 and 700 words of content. I noticed that I do like that you put some keywords saved in here: water damage restoration, fire restoration. That's pretty nice. But Google really likes at least one keyword per 250 words um, of content. So on your home page. So with that, let's take a look at your competitors, see what they're doing. Okay. All right. Here's Bill Howie, and here is their top of their home page. All right. So he's got this book now tab here. He's got a few clickables, about us, services with the drop down. I do notice he has a lot of content. Um, so he's pretty up there. I checked earlier, he's got about a little over 2,000 words of content, and that's a little overkill. You don't need that much. Um, what I also noticed is he's not um, displaying any keywords in his content. So that right there, and there's one that I see so far, water damage, um, that he has so far. So I mean, when it's bold like that, then that's when you know that he's taking the time to do the due diligence for that. So with that being said, on content, that's about all I have for you in that. But yeah, he's got way too much content, like I said, and not enough keywords saved with each one. So the next thing I want to talk about um, is about keywords and backlinks to your website. So this tool right here is called Ahrefs. You can get it as well, and it's got basically a live view of your website right now as we speak. So certifiedrestorationinc.com. Now you have a 35 strength overall of a scale of 100 and a trust scale of 29 out of 100. So you're using about 4,000 organic keywords in your website. Excuse me. Which gives you 2.7 thousand of organic traffic, which is very good actually. It kind of shows the past 3 months and how you've been doing right here. So let's take a quick look at your organic keywords that you're using. So this is pretty good volume, restoration, San Diego, but down here you have some other ones as well. So you're using a lot of keywords, which is really good. What we want to avoid though is the national keywords. So let's kind of go back here. Alright, so this right here is your competitor, Bill Howey. Now, as you can tell, he's ranked a little bit higher up there. He's got a little bit more than you, 3.1 organic traffic. So just for being in that spot, he's getting a little bit more traffic than you guys, just for ranking where he's at. He's got a lot of these organics that he's using. So, and not all backlinks are created equal. So don't let the high numbers scare you, because I mean when you use high um, keywords as far as national keywords, and that really don't matter. I mean, that's not really what you want to target if you want to beat him. So, um, yeah. So with that being said, Diana and Michael, I hope that this information was useful to you today. And remember, there's 3 ways you can be found. The sponsored up here. There's also the map pack area with citations right here. 30% of your business. 70% is these 3 slots right here. And if you're not up here, you're just simply leaving cash on the table. So um, I hope that you can use a guide to help you in your journey. And if you do, feel free to reach out. My name's Joshua. I'm with Peterson SEO. My phone number is 505-331-7995. Or you can reach my email at joshua@petersonseoconsulting.com. With that, Diana and Michael, I hope the rest of your day is good to you, and I hope to talk to you soon. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.